Are you feeling overwhelmed by the stresses of daily life? Imagine starting your day with calmness and clarity. Morning yoga is more than just exercise. It's a scientifically proven way to reduce stress and cultivate a calm mind. The Gayam Beginner's Yoga Starter Kit is perfect for building this peaceful habit. With its supportive yoga mat, sturdy block, and adjustable strap, it's like having your own personal yoga studio at home. These essentials are designed to make yoga accessible, even for beginners. Research shows that morning yoga can lower cortisol levels, the hormone responsible for stress. Paired with the right tools, like the Gayam Starter Kit, you can create a stress-free start to your day while improving flexibility and focus. Why wait to feel better? Start your journey today. Click the link in the description and invest in yourself with the Gayam Beginner's Yoga Starter Kit.